Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review VidTechy. So VidTechy is a tool that is going to help you boost your video rankings as well as views with AI-powered YouTube marketing tools. There are a lot of tools, such as there are tools for generating titles, description, meta tags, and a lot more. And then you can also conduct keyword research that is strictly for YouTube. And then you can also analyze your competitors. You can also research various topics. You can even run various ads, laser precision ads with VidTechy. And VidTechy is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is close to $150, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $59. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are all the tiers on top. The tier 1 is going to cost $59, tier 2 $119, tier 3 $249, and tier 4 $399. And here on the tier 1 you can only connect 3 channels, tier 2 you can connect 3, on tier 3 you can connect 5, and on the highest tier you can connect 10 YouTube channels. And then there are also some features that are not going to be available on tier 1 and 2. So the ads module are exactly these features as you can see on the screen. So these are not going to be available on tier 1 and 2. And then there is also no team collaboration on 1 and 2, and there is also no advanced AI tools. But you're going to get all of these 3 features on tier 3 and 4. And then there are some features that are going to be available on almost all the tiers, such as the SEO and research module, unlimited search, video optimization, keyword and title analyzer, title and description generator, tag and hashtag finder, topic research, keyword autocomplete, video and channel research analyzer, thumbnail tools, image finder, description rewriter, channel name validator, AI chat, and core AI features. So if you want to buy VidTechy on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now before I show you how this tool is going to work, let me first take a look at the roadmap. So here is the public roadmap of VidTechy. So on the left side you can see all of the features that are already added, what's new. So YouTube workspace, channel SEO, video SEO. So these are all the different features that are already added to the platform. And then there are also some features that are currently in progress, so they are going to be added in the future. And then there are some features that are going to be up next, as you can see, and also 2 features that are going to be considered for future. So now let me show you how VidTechy is going to work. So after you log into VidTechy, you must log into your YouTube channel. You must give access to your channel so that it can analyze, VidTechy can analyze all info about your channel. And as you can see, I have connected my channel. I can also add more channels if I want. So here is the channel name. I can also see the profile picture, subscriber, total video, total views. And also on the right side, I can see the monetization track, which means how many subscribers and how much time, watch time I need in order to get monetization from YouTube, so I can earn directly from YouTube. And I can also see some details if I keep my mouse cursor on here. And obviously I need to reach at least 1000 subscribers and have to have at least 4000 watch time hours. And then there is also this follow-up, channel follow-up, so I can keep track of follow-ups with various personalized notes. I can also see some general statistics such as view, subscriber, watch time on a particular time. So it is set to last 28 days. You can also set it to 7 days, 90 days, 1 year, or lifetime. And then also YouTube views over the 28 days, YouTube subscriber over the 28 days. So I can obviously see some statistics, general statistics from this right side, as well as my top video on a certain period. And then on this middle side, I can see all details such as the name, handle, subscribe link, channel URL. So these are all the different things. But I can also pinpoint exactly what I'm missing. So as you can see, I do not have any description about my channel on YouTube. I also do not have any keyword that are set for my channel. So these 2 are very important. I have to make sure that I have added the description and keywords in order to get good rank on YouTube. I can also see I have not set up country, is it meant for kids or not, channel monetization, banner, trailers. So all of these different things that are not added, they are going to show up on here, so you can understand that they are important and you have to make sure that you add those things. And here is also a YouTube channel SEO manual checklist. So I can also add these things such as validate and optimize my channel name for my branding. So if I do that, I have to make sure that I have checked it. So this particular checklist is for customization. So if I click here, so as you can see, just like this, I can super easily change the settings about the checklist from here. So for customization, all I have to do is just click here, and then there is also checklist for channel settings. So also I have to make sure that I have added these things to my channel. And then on the left side, I can see all of the primary features. So first of all, we have the channel SEO. So on this channel SEO setting, I have to make sure I provide my keyword. What is the main keyword? According to my branding and videos, I have to set my main keyword. And other than that, I can also provide an outline about my channel on this particular box. And then there are also some other things that are added to this checklist, as I already showed you. So these are also very related to SEO, and that is exactly why it is appearing on this channel SEO. So I have to make sure I optimize my channel handle for my branding. I have to make sure I add and optimize my channel keywords. So all of these things, you have to make sure you do this, and that is why they are appearing as a checklist. So once you do that, you have to click on this. And then I can also see the channel description. So obviously I do not have one. So obviously I have to write it, or I can also get a suggestion from VidTechy. So all I have to do is provide the channel keyword and also the outline of my channel. And then VidTechy is going to give me a channel description. And then I can also get some keywords. Once again, I have to provide these details in order to get all the keywords. So let me try these keywords. For example, the main keyword is going to be, artificial intelligence, and about the outline. So for this video purpose, I'm going to provide the outline as videos about AI. Now let's save it. So now if I click on the suggest keywords, okay, so the keyword suggestion is not appearing because AI integration is not enabled. So how to do that? You have to click on this name on the right side and then go to AI integration. And in order to use the AI features, you have to add your own API key. So you can do that. Just click on this add. And then you have to select what type of AI key you want to add. It could be from OpenAI or Gemini. Only these two options are available as of now. And then you have to provide the key, select all these different settings, and then you can enable the AI integration. And once you add the integration, you can suggest description. You can get description suggestion as well as keyword suggestion directly from the AI. And then I can also see some reference channels, which means some channels that are very similar to mine. So here is that. I can also see their keywords on the right side. So this is how the reference channels are going to appear. And then on the left side, we have this video SEO. So I can also optimize my YouTube videos, particular YouTube videos for SEO. So for that, I have to click on here, provide a project name, and then click on save. Okay, so as you can see, the project has been created. Now, in order to optimize the video SEO, I have to go through some stages. First of all, I have to conduct a keyword research, and then there is going to be keyword analysis, video SEO, scripting details, and video analytics. So this is how I can super easily optimize videos for SEO. And then there are also some other features such as this competitor research. So I can also conduct research on particular videos or even particular channels. So for example, I want to do it first as video research. So let me type a video. So for example, this is going to be my keyword, and then I can select how many results I want. I'm going to keep it at 10, and then I can also sort it by count, view count, or relevance. I'm just going to search the video. So for this particular keyword on YouTube, we have this amount of average views, average likes. So I can see all these details. And also 10 results. As I said earlier, I have selected only 10 results. I can also see the estimated monthly earning from this video, the search result page ranking, and also VPH, which is probably views per hour, and also the overall view, the like. So I can also see exactly what keywords this video has used. So here are all the tags, here are all the hashtags. So I can also copy this. I can analyze this video if I click on this one. So here is the full analysis of this video. I can see the views, the likes, the comments, and also the tags, the hashtags. So this is the full analysis of this particular video. And I can also get analysis super easily just by providing a URL on this video analyzer. So this is how I can super easily conduct competitor research. And other than videos, I can also conduct research on channel. So let me search any channel. So for example, I want to search the MrBeast channel, and now click on search. So as you can see now, all the channels with this MrBeast keywords are appearing. So for example, I want to analyze this first channel. So all I have to do is just click on analyze. And as you can see, here is the full analysis of this channel. So subscribers, total views, total videos, total views, and also various description, ID, when it exactly joined, country, channel privacy, banner, trailer, top videos. So all of these different parameters, all of these different analysis parameters are going to appear once you want to research a channel, a particular channel. So this is how the competitor research is going to work. I can also go to this competitor analyzer. And this analyzer is very similar to competitor research. All you have to do is just provide a YouTube video URL in order to analyze that. Or as for channels, you have to provide the exact channel URL, and then you can also get an analysis for that. And then there's this saved videos. So if I want, I can even save various videos on here in order to analyze them. All I have to do is just click on add, and then I have to add a wish list folder. So here is that folder. Now if I open this, so all of the videos are now going to appear on here. And I can also select all the videos, select none, or even copy all the video URLs from here. And then there is this topic idea research. So I can research various topic ideas. For example, I want to research artificial intelligence once again. So here is my topic, and then click on suggest topics. So now what VidTechy is going to do is suggest some topic ideas about AI that I can make videos on. So as you can see, here is the topic with a very good mind map. So we have various topics with can, this word, will, how, what, where. So these are some of the different suggestions. And then we also have suggestions based on prepositions such as near, without, with, can. And then also various comparisons, as you can see. So this is how we can super easily get various topic ideas about our videos. And then there is also this keyword autocomplete. So once again, I'm going to provide another keyword. So for example, the keyword is going to be animation story, and then I have to select exactly what provider. It could be Google or YouTube. I'm going to keep YouTube, and then select it to US, and the language is going to be default English, and then start the keyword autocomplete. So what it does is it is very similar to keyword research. If you have done that, you're going to get some similar keywords or keywords that are complete based on this one. So obviously this is just 2-word keyword, but you're going to get some more word keywords, such as you can see, we have got a lot of keywords, but a lot more are also here. But since I'm on the free version, so here is all the keywords that I can see for now. And I can also see the keyword length, the count, the source, the country. I can also see if it is on top 10. And I can also analyze this keyword. For example, I want to analyze this animation story, this keyword. So as you can see, now I have a very good keyword analyzer that lets me show the search volume of this keyword. So it is very high, so the competition is very high, and I can also see the competition, and then I can also see the top channel based on this particular keyword, and then also video published that got ranked in last 7 days, video published that got ranked in last 30 days, and also top 20 video analysis, detailed statistics. So I can see the full analysis for this keyword on here. I can also see the earning potential, some related keywords, as well as Google Trends about this particular keyword that I have added. And obviously after autocomplete, I have already showed you this keyword analyzer. This is exactly the feature that I just used now. You have to provide your keyword, and then you can analyze this particular keyword. And then there is also this title analyzer. So here I can generate various titles for my videos, I think. Let me type a keyword. So for example, my keyword is going to be football highlights, and then generate some titles. So as you can see, I have got some title ideas. Okay, so let me add another keyword. So for example, the keyword is going to be AI on marketing. Let me generate some titles. So as you can see, now I have got some really good titles that are related to the keyword, and the keyword is AI on marketing. And obviously I can use these keywords. And then after this title generator, we also have description generator. So in order to get suggestion for my description, I have to provide some details such as a short description of my video, and a longer description, and a breakdown of the timestamp. And then I can also provide the channel details and also other recommended videos. So what the AI is going to do after getting all this information, it is going to mix, or it is going to combine all this information to come up with a very good description. And other than suggestion, we also have this generator. So here we can also super easily generate various description based on a certain keyword. And then there is this tag finder. So let me provide a keyword, and then I'm going to get some suggestions about the tags. So as you can see, I'm getting some tags, but I don't think, okay, so these tags are very relevant to AI. So this is how you can super easily get various tag session. You can also find various hashtags and also see your save list about your topics, keywords, tags, hashtags. And then there are some tools for thumbnails, such as this thumbnail preview. So here you can see the thumbnail preview beforehand, before uploading your video, so you can understand if the thumbnail is properly appearing on the video. So let me choose a file. So for example, this is going to be my thumbnail, and let me upload a title. And then if I click on preview, and as you can see how amazing it is, I can see the thumbnail preview just like how I'm going to see it on YouTube, with the title, with my channel name, and this is how the thumbnail is going to appear. So that is exactly what VidTechy is showing, how the thumbnail is going to look like on YouTube. I can also see some different views, such as tab view on tab, or on even mobile, how the thumbnail is going to look like. So this is a very important feature, so that you can see beforehand how the thumbnail is looking. And then you can also bookmark various thumbnails just by providing the YouTube video URL. You can also go to the thumbnail library so that you can see all of the thumbnails that you have added as the bookmark. And then you can also scrap various thumbnails just by providing the video URL. And then there are also some tools such as the custom avatar, advanced AI tools. So this custom avatar is one of the advanced AI features. So you're going to get them only on certain tiers, such as the tier 3 and 4. And then other than the custom avatar for your channel, there are also some other tools for ads. You can also run ads directly on VidTechy. You can create various campaigns and run ads. You can target ads. You can also swipe various ads. So you can do all of them by using these ads tools. For example, with this ad targeting, we have keywords, placements, and then topics, ad tracker, save list. And with this ad swipe, we have ad bookmarker, my swipes, and also the swipe library. And then there are also various other tools such as the channel manager, task manager, channel planner, documents, and also a lot of productivity tools, as you can see, as well as some resources. So overall, I think VidTechy is an excellent tool that lets you boost your video rankings and views with various AI tools. There are a lot of tools for analyzing competitors, tools for getting various topic ideas, tools for getting or generating your content such as SEO description, or even titles, or even various tags, hashtags, or simple tags. And then there are some advanced features such as the custom avatar, or even various advanced features like the ads, running your ads. So overall, I have to say VidTechy is a complete YouTube AI-powered YouTube marketing tool, and if you want to buy it from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these tiers, and on the left side, you can see all the features that are going to be available with this tool.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.